Mahmudul Rubel here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you affiliate marketing things. So, in 2020, people make affiliate marketing business so critical, so overcomplicated. So whenever you go, whenever it is whether it is YouTube course, whether it is a paid course, you find all the things like funnel, sales funnel, and email automation, all this stuff. But you can make money without this thing also. So how can we do that? So I just share with you some things. So if you search for uh, ClickFunnels review, so if you search for ClickFunnels review, you find a smart business trends. So this website make a lot of money from these reviews. So there is no funnels, no any complicated stuff. They just review this product. So they just review this product, and in the bottom they just give you some bonuses. As you can see, there are some bonuses, so this way they get lot of sales in this. So let's say you want Bulldaro. So let's ask for Bulldaro review. Maybe my uh, spelling is mistake. Got it. So here is it. Oh no. So here it is. So first rank in Cobra. So it is Cobra. So anyway, here is the builder review. So much to it before you watch your time or anything. So as you can see, this website ranked in first. So it time to loading. My net is slow. So anyways, so as you can see, so they review this for a long review. It is long review. So they sell from there. So this way, these SEO things, you can make a lot of money. You just review product, and you just create informative product, and just link here and there. So it is like old method, but it is still working. So you can do this with YouTube also. So if you start for click funnel review, click funnel review. So you find a builderpreneur YouTube channel first in ranks, so honest funny reviews. So it gets like uh, 2000 views. So that is good. So Spencer Megam, who make 3 million on only ClickFunnels. So they make a lot of sales in this video. So they also share some bonuses with you in this video. So this way you can also make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. And other way you can do affiliate marketing is paid ads. So if you search for Builderall, you find the ad in first. So these ads not from Builderall owner, Builderall company. It is maybe any other affiliate marketer. So here is the another ad. So Builderall 24 days trial. So As you can see, this website is other websites. So they just make ad with their affiliate link, and if people click here and buy the product, they get commission. So this way you can do also affiliate marketing. And other way you can affiliate marketing is launch checking. So launch checking is, what is launch checking? So many affiliate products launching every day. You can find a lot of products launching every day. So you need to find a product that launching and you want to promote this. So how you can promote this? So first you need to find a product from any affiliate marketing marketplace like uh, GB Joe you can find. So if I go to Monchai, so Ox Monchai, Manchai, Maunchs. Is it? Yeah. So if I go to manchai.com, so here are a lot of big launches. So 26th February, Todd Gross, he has a product called Captiva. So Simon Greenhalgh, she has product Athens Sweat. So Tony Ramos product, as you can see, KBB. So it is a very good product. So font and price almost $900. So you get 45 commission, almost $400. If you sell one product, you get $400. So it is very good product. So you can promote this. So how can you promote new products? So first you need to create KBB review. So you can create review in your blog. You can make a video. You go to all search engine. So uh, if you make a video about uh, mm, KBB, so Tony Robbins product. If you make a video, so if you do this fast, you can rank in fast pace Google. So I recommend if you have not website or if your website is very new, you I don't recommend you uh, publish your blog post in your new blog because it don't rank for new website because Google see authority. So I suggest you to do it in Medium because Medium has a lot of authority. So if you publish your content this Medium platform, you rank on Google. So after that, what you need to do is go to YouTube and create a review video. So it is like 10 minute or 15 minute like. So when you create YouTube video, you also add bonuses to your YouTube video. So when people buy this product, you give them bonuses. So this way people buy from you. So if you rank this video, you can get sales from there. And after that, what you do is you go to Instagram and create a page like um, create a post about KBB. So hashtag with KBB like the things. Just you need to rank in Instagram and those things with all the social platforms like Twitter, Pinterest, and other platform. So this way you can get sales from launching product. So we complicated things in affiliate marketing, but many new people don't know that you can make money with without these complicated things like sales funnel, email automation, these like things. So if you start with these basic things, you can earn money, and then you go all the complicated things. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much. And if this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. I share I share all the things I know, so I don't hesitate to share my knowledge. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.